the last kind of proportion, we have the partitive. And this is the first example problem. Ben is a millionaire who does not have a next of kin for his inheritance, meaning he doesn't have sons or daughters, kids who can inherit his property or his left money, left investment. But he has nephews, namely Janus, Jimwell, and James. So he has a certain lawyer designated to be the executor of Ben's last will and testament. So in that last will and testament, it includes the will and prepared of the one who passed away. So after passing away, Ben left 5 million pesos worth of investment to be divided by 3 among his nephews in the proportion 2:3:5 respectively, meaning there will be two parts for Janus, 3 parts for Jimwell, 3 parts of 5 million for James. So how much should each of them receive? So now let us start solving the problem. So this is them. Let us solve the problem. So in here, let's say we have X for Janus, Y for Jimwell, and Z for James. So here are their parts. So let's denotate it with some variables. So for X, we have, for Janus, there is 2 in the proportion. So 2 over the total of the parts. So this is 2 plus 3 plus 5. This is equals to 2 over 10. So 2/10 of the investment, which is for the amount left, which is 5 million worth of investment. So we multiply 2/10 by 5 million. That is equivalent, so this is in peso, 2/10 of 5 million, that is equals to 1 million pesos. So now for Y, we have 3 over 2 plus 3 plus 5 multiplied by 5 million pesos. So 3 over 10 multiplied by 5 million, we have equals to 1.5 million pesos. And for letter Z, we have 5 over 2 plus 3 plus 5, that is 10, or 5/10, or simply 1/2 of 5 million, that is equals to 2.5, or total 2,500,000 pesos. So 1 million for, this is for Janus, part of Janus, and 1.5 million will be given to James, and 2.5 million, or half of the 5 million investment, worth of investment of Ben, will be given to James. Sorry, this is Jane. This is Jimwell rather. So 1.5 million for Jimwell, and the 1/2 or the 2.5 million will be given to James. So this is the shares that they are going to receive based on the last will and testament of death. Let us have our second problem for the partitive proportion. Divide a 60-meter rope into 4 segments having the proportion 1:2:3:6. What is the measure of each part of the rope? So we have here the proportion. 1 is given, 1:2, 3:6. So we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6, that is equals to 12. So let's say each part of the road, we can notate it with A, B, C, and D. So this is the first part, second, third, and fourth segment. So the first part, which is a proportion part of 1, so we have 1/12 is the total of the proportion multiplied by 60 meter. So we have 60 multiplied by 1/12. 1/12 of 60 meters is equals to 5 meters. So this is the length or the measurement of the first segment of the rope. So let's have the second part. We have 2/12 is equals to 1/6 2/12 of 60 meters. So simply the 1/6 of 60 meters, that is equals to 10 meters. So 10 meters is the length of the second segment of the rope. So third, we have 3/12 multiplied by 60 meters. So 3/12, or simply 1/4 of 60 meters, that is equals to 15 meters. So this is the length of the third segment. And lastly, we have 6/12, or simply 1/2 of 60 meters. So that is equals to 13 meters. So when we add these 4 measurements, we have 5 plus 10 plus 15. 15 plus 15, that is 30 plus 30. That is equivalent to 60 meters. That will be turned into 4 segments. So these are the values or the measurement length of the 4 segments. And for our last example problem, we have proportion in terms of cups of water to sugar and to vanilla in a beverage is 3:1:1/2. So 3 for water, 1 for sugar, and 1/2 for vanilla. So those are the measurements. If this is just for 1 serving, so this proportion of the ingredients is for 1 serving, what proportion is needed for a beverage that makes 5 serving? So this time, we have a given proportion and a given constant of proportionality or the K. So how we're going to find the proportion? So we are looking for the proportion here. So for the solution, we are going to multiply the K to our proportion. So 5 multiplied by 3 is to 1 is to 1/2. So 5 multiplied by 3, that is 15, is to 5. For 5 serving, how many sugar? So we have 5 times 1, that is 5. For 5 serving, how many vanilla? So 5 times 1/2, that is equals to 5 halves, or in mixed fraction, we have 2 2.5. Or 50 is to 5 is to 2 and 1/2 for vanilla. So this is the proportion for 5 servings of the beverage. So we have 15 cups of water, 5 sugar, and 2.5 vanilla for the 5 servings.